A student could not prepare well for the GATE examination during your college time, or were you not aware about the GATE examination or its benefits during the college time, and are you looking to take a drop for the GATE examination? Okay, some of you may have decided, some of you may have decided to do, not to do. Okay, some of you may be in the confused state. Okay, maybe to take a drop, some, because it's not an easy decision to take a drop. Okay, so in this brief video, I'm going to tell you what are the important points to consider while taking a drop year, okay, for a competitive exam like GATE or engineering services. Now, number one point I would tell you is what exactly your goal is. Okay, maybe you realize in the college time or you didn't realize in the college time, but think whether your ultimate goal is going to be, doing masters, okay, or any higher education course from the topmost institutes like IITs or ISC, or your goal is a PSU, you're targeting a PSU job. If you have really highlighted your goal and if you really want to achieve this, then irrespective of anything else, I would say, okay, maybe you didn't realize earlier, but even if you have realized right now, don't compromise with your dream. Okay, so first and foremost thing, before taking a drop, you should really be clear about your dream. You should simply not take a drop because, okay, let me try this examination. No, definitely you have to give a full attempt and give a full try to the examination. But the first and foremost thing is, do you want to do MTech? Do you want to do PhD? Do you want to get a PSU job? Okay, or are you targeting exams like BARC or engineering services, or any such thing, anything related to technical, to your core area? If you have realized, yes, this is what you want to do, then definitely you should be taking a drop, because never you should compromise with your dreams. And if you really work towards your target, having a passion in mind, having a dream in mind, you'll be most likely successful. Okay, so that attitude you will keep in your preparation. So that is the first thing to be considered. Second thing is, now, is it your first attempt? Okay, I'll talk about both the cases. I mean, some of you are taking the drop because you have given the attempt but it was not well, or some of you did not realize that you have to give the GATE exam in the college time, or you just gave it roughly, but that was not at all a countable attempt. And is this going to be your first attempt? So see, if this is going to be your first attempt, see, GATE is a long journey, some ups and downs will be there. So first and foremost thing is, convince your family that yes, you are going to take a drop, so that at least, because once you pass out of the college, there will be so much pressure of you, many people asking you what you are doing, and whether you have got any campus placement or not, are you doing any job, oh, are you taking a drop, what if you are not successful? So many questions will be there in your mind. But if your close ones, and especially if your family is in your support, nothing will bother you. Okay, so see, do you have any financial constraints? Okay, can you spend a year preparing for GATE? Can your finances allow for it? And moreover, will your family support? Because if family support is there, you will discard each and everything. Okay, any other thoughts that people are putting in your mind will not going to hurt you much. But if the family is not in support, okay, definitely you will also be in lot more pressure. Even if they are not in support, it's not okay. If they're not in support, that means you have to quit this. Okay, try to convince them, take them into your confidence, and make them, as I told you, dream. Goal is what is important, to make them realize ki, okay, if you really take a drop and if you get a good rank in GATE, where you're going to land up, these are the jobs you can get, these are the colleges you can apply for. So take them into that confidence and go for it. I'll tell you, during this time, okay, family support if you have, you will be very comfortable always. Okay, always. Now, if it is your second attempt, maybe you have given an honest attempt in the final year, okay, but things didn't go in your direction and you want to repeat for it. Yes, again, as I told you, if your ultimate goal is IIT or a PSU, okay, no matter first attempt didn't go, but no problem. If your actually target is IIT or PSU, no matter what, you should still take a drop, because you should not compromise. So it happens sometimes, you do some mistakes in the first attempt. But the important point is, for those who have given the GATE but could not get the success, and if you are in dilemma whether to do it next time or not, ask yourself one question. Have you realized what did not go good in the first attempt? Okay, they might have some mistakes, maybe syllabus not completed, maybe practice was less, or maybe you did not manage the time in the exam hall because you did not appear in the test series a lot. Okay, you were making so much of silly mistakes. Okay, or you have done not good efforts in some subjects. So realize that. Okay, and if you have already realized and ready to work on it, go for it. Okay, because if you follow the same strategy as you did last year, you might end up in a similar rank or a little bit improvement. But drop should not be for a little bit improvement. Drop is always for a significant improvement, and those who have done it, prepared honestly, they have got significant improvement. Okay, ranks like single digit, double digit, easily. Okay, but the only thing is, you have to see what did not go good. Okay, so that you should not repeat the same path and you should improve what did not go wrong. Okay, still you have to focus each and every subject equally, but there might be some subjects which troubled you in your first time or were not completed well enough. Your target should be more there, but as well as whatever subjects were good, you should not, discard them, otherwise you will keep forgetting them. So parallelly keep on revising your good subjects, but the subjects which are weak or not completed in the last attempt, you should focus more and more there. Okay, so that you balance out all the subjects equally well. And especially if you are taking a drop, you have enough time, no college, no submissions, so your target should be, okay, syllabus completion as early as possible, so that at least last 2 to 3 months for droppers, at least last, if not 3, at least 2, ideally 3 months you should have for revision if you're a dropper, because you can complete the syllabus quickly because you don't have any college to go, any attendance pressure, any campus placement coming your way, any project submission, nothing. So you can easily target to complete the syllabus up to October, November, December, January, totally revision and test series. And if you really last 3 months, if you're left with the time to only revise into test series, you will really get a good rank. Okay, if you last 3 months is in your pocket or only to revise and give the test series. Okay, so that will be a very comfortable position. So that also you have to keep a target, and at the same time you have to be very deterministic. Okay, see, GATE, as I told you, is a long journey. It's not a short race. It's like a marathon. You keep learning, you keep fighting for several months. Okay, there will be ups, there will be downs, there will be some tests going good, there will be some tests going bad, there will be some subjects you enjoy, there will be some subjects which will trouble you. Okay, especially taking a drop, there will be some people irritating you always. Okay, making you feel down always. Okay, why you are doing this, this is not your cup of tea. Because they did not get anything good in life, they will try to pull others' leg. And mostly we are surrounded by that people. You have to choose the right people. Okay, don't talk to many people. Talk to your only very close friends and your family members, so that throughout your journey you're motivated. There will be ups and downs, as I told you, test not going good, some subject troubling you, but you have to take it as a challenge, and step by step, you have to grow. Okay, so don't let any time yourself as feeling down. Determination is the most important thing if you're going to take a drop. You have to be really, because I'm again telling sometimes, because you don't have college also, sometimes you go to college, mood is refreshed, because it's dropout, you don't have any college, you're mostly into just study, gate preparation. Okay, so you yourself have to make yourself self-motivated and very deterministic. Okay, so if you're taking a decision to take a drop, you should be very deterministic, and you should always trust that yes, you have taken this decision because you trust you can do it, and that trust has to be there till the February. It should not be just, okay, I randomly started and after 1 month I started doubting myself. No, that attitude should not be there. You have to trust yourself. Okay, even if you are at low times, you trust that you can again pick up. Okay, be consistent again, and crack the examination in the which is going to be held in the February. Okay, so thanks guys. This is the message I wanted to give. If you are in case planning to take a drop, okay, any queries if you have, put it in the comment box, okay, or ping me in the Telegram. I'll definitely help you. Thank you, stay safe and take care of yourself.